And now for another segment of VFD and Nixie Talk, let's select our next package from our box of goodies. So, we got another VFD kit. I believe this is a VFD. We'll find out in a minute. And we'll take it out of the box. So this one's kit form, I believe. So this is from Comma Labs. I got all these guys from eBay. I don't believe Comma Labs is currently selling, as of this recording, 2023. This one's Tanya. I think I built Tanya and it never worked. So this is I believe a new Tanya. Because I think I built Tanya and I never got it to work. I did that on camera on YouTube, and it's in my Nixie VFD builder playlist. So you can watch me put it together, plug it in, and nothing happens. So I did get a replacement, but I've never built it. And when I was ordering stuff from Comma Labs, I ordered a bunch of kits, and the guy who was selling me this, he gave me a bunch of extra stuff for all these clocks. The wall wart, the USB cable, cases and stuff like that. Flippin' awesome. So this one's a kit, so I got to build this one, and I got all brand new tubes. All brand new tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might even put my extras in. Yeah, I did. I put my extras in here. So I took it apart and I put the extra tubes in the kit. It's been a couple of years since I screwed with this stuff, so I don't remember everything I did. So in the bag here, when I got the replacement, of course I got a wall wart. It was an optional thing when I bought these. I was given all this stuff. And then, of course, it came with a remote and a USB cable. All their own micros. This one's got a wooden, let's see, 1, 2, yep, 6 tube with separators. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful case that this one's going to go in. So the other Tanya I had, it was just a clear acrylic base, kind of like Tanya, Yana over here. Kind of plain Jane boring, where you can see all the bits. This one's got a nice case. So all the holes for your tubes. The other piece, this one's for all your bottom backlight. Yada garbage. And then the other little bits and pieces, the acrylic bits and the hardware to put the circuit board in. So this one is it's all built, except I got to put the tube sockets in and then put the tubes in. Assembled by my own hands. Okay, yeah, we all know about that. So same thing with the other Comma Labs. It gives you all the bits and pieces. This one can connect to your home Wi-Fi network and keep the clock spot on. I love that kind. So it tells you everything how to get her set up. So here's the board with all the bits and pieces and all the chips. So it's got an ESP32 in it, which I think is an upgrade to my other Tanya. Of course, this is VFD. Beautiful VFD. See, I'm a hybrid. I love VFD and Nixies. Because I think they're both cool as hell. So this one is partially assembled. So all the surface mount are all connected. They're all installed for you. The LEDs, driver chips, the high voltage stuff is all pre-soldered for you. Made in Russia. Beautiful. Beautiful board. It's too bad he's not selling these things anymore. You got to find find a different kit. So these are for IV6s. These beautiful little IV6s. They're adorable little VFDs. Beautiful. Of course, each one has its own little birth certificate printed on the back. $92. Of course, I got a bunch of extras in here too. So here's all the little sockets, which makes things so much easier to have these things. So these are the little pins to have them soldered in, and then you just plug your Nixie or VFD in. So just in case you get a dud or it works for a little while and then it needs to be replaced, you can just yank it out and then put it right back in. Makes things so much easier to maintain or build your clock. Of course, this one's got battery backup in it, and then all the little bits, all through hole. So very easy. Even a beginner can do it. I mean, even somebody with big sausage fingers and stuff like that probably could build one of these things. So this is the IV6. This one's version 4. So it's been going through some updates and stuff like that. And of course, it's got the button. It does have a button on it, a couple of buttons, so you can set it by hand, and all the jacks and all the bits and pieces to put that together. And is the board labeled? Yes, it is. Oh yeah. So you don't even need build sheet. Just follow the silk screen on the board. So you might need a little bit of, if you're blind as a bat or nearsighted or farsighted, you might need a magnifying glass to see where all the bits and pieces go. But very easy. I've built kits before with no instructions. You just go by the board, and they're very easy to assemble. And then this particular kit, the separators are VFD too. So you get your numeral. This is your numeral tube. Get the thing to quit focusing on my face. I got to stand in the middle of the focus spot so that focuses. There we go. See that? Instant. Got to just learn how to use the camera. Just remember, I'm a hobbyist. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I still suck at camera work. So here's the separator. So these are the separating VFD tubes. So what are these? These are the IV1s. So it's got the little decimal or period or dot and a little dash. So that's all that tube's got. Very simple tube. Awesome tube. So I got all the 6 tubes. So I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I got all 6 tubes and the 2 separators, and I got spares. So I got them tucked away somewhere. So I'll have to find them. And that's one thing I got to do is build a stash of spares. Because I got one spare IN N16 tube that it's already got a home that I got to put it in, and then I got no spares for nothing. I got no spare N18s, no N16s, or I got some VFDs and stuff like that. So that is the kit for Tanya. So you'll have to stay tuned and watch me build this. So this one's a lot more fancier because it's got it's Wi-Fi synchronized, so that's going to be awesome. Of course, I don't know if the Kama Labs website still works. So hopefully the built-in internet-based logging in system, once you get it set up, still works. Like my all these clocks, all the PV electronics, it's app-based to get to go on your Wi-Fi system. So that's it for Tanya here. So stay tuned for that build and general banter of that awesome stuff. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.